Hello everyone, my name is Will, and this is my fourth blog post. This is about a website that uses videos in a creative way. And I would like to talk about a website called taskvideos.org. It is a website where people upload their speedruns of classic and newer video games. But it's a little bit different than just a regular speedrun. It's they use what's called, and TAS means tool assisted speedrun, and they use these tools to make it so they basically can go through the game frame by frame. So basically, what the end product is what would this game look like if it was perfectly run? Like if you can play the game absolutely perfectly, what would it look like? And that's what this website has. This is the home page. They usually have like a featured movie, and this is Super Metroid Reverse Boss Order. So there's a lot of different ways for all the games to be played as well. Like it doesn't have to be just a standard run through of the game. It can be like a different way of doing it, because once you start glitching the game like a lot of these guys do, there's a lot of different ways that the game can be played. If we move on to movies, which is the main tab that you're going to want to be on, it gives you a list of all of the systems that you can choose from, and all the games, and you can check very, very specifically. This is the Game Boy Advance games. It's not every game made for the system, mainly just the ones that are popular and that people will want to have speedruns for. I have a couple videos preloaded on the SNES page here, and one thing I want to point out that's really convenient about the videos on this site is you can watch them from your preferred way with archive.org and YouTube. You can choose from the two different ones. This one's at YouTube, and this one's archives.org. And just a little example. I hope you can see it okay, but as you can see, everything's pretty much like perfect with the speed run. But these are a fun way to watch it. Every video is also available for download for free, and it's pretty entertaining to see some of your favorite games from back in the day, and see like what would it look like if you're able to do it absolutely perfectly. It's obviously not physically impossible to do what they're doing. A Zelda glitch, for example, involves pushing the D-pad up and down at the same time, which is physically impossible on a controller. But as you can see how this boss battle's going, if you can, it's he's gone. But it's not really a creative use of video on a website, but it is a very convenient and clean way of presenting it. So this is how it all looks if any videos aren't there. You can just choose from your... Oh, and Daily Motion, I guess, is on here too. But you can choose whichever way you want to watch it, whatever your preferred video player is, and do that. And they have all the descriptions. It's a very clean, convenient use of video. Maybe not the most creative in the world, but definitely convenient and nice. Which I believe a lot of websites need nowadays. It needs to be a lot cleaner and self-explanatory than impressive, I guess. I guess when I think of creative movies and websites, I usually think of like flash animations and stuff. But I think this is a very nice, organized, convenient way to present video for a site that primarily involves videos. And it's especially always nice to have an option, because like I like to use archive.org because it'll load the whole video instead of just like a tenth of it or whatever YouTube does now. I mean, I remember when YouTube videos used to upload all the way, but my internet connection is very slow. So being able to like just let a video just kind of go there and load the whole way, and then I can actually watch it without it having a buffer every 3 minutes, is nice. So it's nice to have that option just right there, and I do appreciate that. But that was all I wanted to talk about. Just a little website called taskvideos.org. If you're interested. They have a lot of cool videos on here, a lot of cool tips and tricks for games if you wanted to try some of these out. A lot of good people on it. And but that'll do it for this blog post. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.